is your generator's lifeline. Skip a change and you risk serious damage. Here's what Generac recommends. First oil change after 25 hours of use. That's the break-in period. Then, every 100 hours or once per year, whichever comes first. Use Generac approved synthetic 5W30 oil for best performance in all temperatures. And don't forget the oil filter. It's just as important. Dirty oil equals more wear and tear. If you don't want to do it yourself, most dealers offer an annual service plan that includes the oil change. A little maintenance goes a long way.